Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn new algorithms. First, begin by mastering the foundational data structures. These include arrays, linked lists, trees, and graphs, which are the building blocks. Next, delve into understanding time and space complexity, often expressed using Big O notation. This helps evaluate an algorithm's efficiency. Finally, familiarize yourself with common algorithmic paradigms like divide and conquer or dynamic programming. This solid base is crucial for tackling more complex problems. Once you have the basics, approach each new algorithm systematically. Begin by fully understanding the problem it solves and its constraints. Then, trace its execution manually with a few small, simple examples to see how it works step by step. Visualizing the process, perhaps with diagrams or online animations, can greatly enhance comprehension. If an algorithm seems overwhelming, break it down into smaller, more digestible parts. This methodical approach makes learning much more effective. Understanding an algorithm conceptually is just one part. Implementation is key. Write the algorithm yourself in a programming language you are comfortable with. After implementation, rigorously test your code with diverse inputs, including edge cases, to ensure correctness. Actively solve practice problems on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank that specifically require the algorithm you just learned. Finally, review and refactor your code to improve its readability and efficiency, aiming for optimal performance. To truly master algorithms, go beyond the basics. Investigate different variations and potential optimizations for the algorithm you've learned. Compare its performance and applicability against other algorithms designed to solve the same problem. A powerful learning technique is to explain the algorithm to a friend or colleague. Teaching often reveals gaps in your own understanding. Continuously engage with new algorithmic developments and research to keep your skills sharp and current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.